this lesson is about money. Okay, so I will say you many important things, and what I am going to teach in this video is here given. First of all, I will say you about the symbol of the rupees and rupee, that means rupees and rupee mints. Okay, after that I will discuss the vital points to remember: conversion of the rupees to paise and conversion of the paise to rupees. One will be long methods, that means the conventional method which the students had been followed till now, and another is the short method which is presently followed by many school students, right? After that, finally I will give you few examples and its solution. Okay, so let us first start. What is the symbol of the rupee and rupees? Okay, we write rupees. Rupees is the plural, right? It is the plural of the rupee, and it is written like RS, and here is the point, and rupee is the singular. Okay, it is written as RE, mind it. After that, I told you that vital points to remember for this type of the sum. Okay, so what are those vital points? I am telling one by one. Okay, I am one thing I am assuring you that the students who has very much confusion about this type of the questions or the money will be, everything will be clear. We will use, or we use, rupees for rupees and rupee for 1 rupee. For that means 10 rupees I will write RS. After that I will give point, and if I will write 1 rupee, then I will write like this, RE1. Okay, so if there is no paise, then we can write point here, 0.00 or 0.00 here. Okay, we will use point to separate rupees and paise. Okay, at the left side there will be rupees, and on the right of the decimal there will be paise. For example, I am writing here 12.05, right? So if this is written and at the left side this one is written, that means rupees 12.05, that means 12 rupees and 5 paise. One important thing at the last I am going to say you that I will write paise always in 2 digit, right? If I want to write 8 paise, then I will write 08. If I will write 12 paise, then like this, 35 paise like this, 28 paise like this, 90 paise like this, and 99 paise like this. Okay, after 99 it become 100 paise, and this 100 paise is equal to rupees 1. Okay, next, for conversion, what is important? One thing, when you convert rupees into paise, then what will you do? If you are converting rupees into paise, mind it, rupee is bigger amount than paise, then you will multiply by 100. Clear? I am just doing one for you. If there is rupees 7, then what will be paise? 7 into 100, that is 700 paise, right? If there is like this rupees 18.63, and you have to convert it into paise, then do that what I did earlier, 18.63 into 100, right? Just as you do the conventional method, you do like this, 0 0 0 0, 0 3 0 like this, 0 0 0 0 and 3 6 8 1. Right, I think you are understanding. Add this one 0 0 3 6 8 1 1 2. From the right, the decimal is from after the 2 digit, so 1 2. Okay, so it become 1863, and this is your answer. The one thing I am going to clarify you, when if there is a number that a rupee like this, then what will you do? You just shift the decimal 2 step right side. Okay, because you are multiplying with by 100, then that means there is 20, so you can displace this decimal 2 digit right side. For example, this is the short method of converting rupees into paise. 19.25 rupees equal to how much paise? Directly I will write 1925 paise. Just I will omit the decimal. This is the very short. Omit the decimal. This type you will get the paise. Clear? And in this regard, I am also telling one thing. If there would be 19 rupees only, then what will be the shortcut method? Rupees 19 means rupees 19.00. That means there is no paise. So to convert this into paise, just omit the decimal. There will be 1900 paise. These are the very short method for the class 3 student. Okay. In the next part, I don't want to cover everything in the first part because the video will be going to very large. So in the next session, in the next part, I will teach you how to convert paise into rupees, and after that I will give some few examples. Okay.